Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted USB or SD card in your computer. Well, I'm going to show you a very simple method how you can do it. Before that, you need to connect your USB or SD card with your computer. After doing it, you can simply come over into this PC and then here is my USB card or USB drive. So if I just click on the right mouse button, then I'm going to get an option called format. If I just open it, then I'm going to get bunch of three options. In my USB drive, I have that 32B default. So if I just select it and click start the formatting, and the format is completed. Well, there is also two option called NTFS. We can simply select it and click OK. And after taking a little bit of time, the format is complete. You can also do it to the exFAT, start and OK. And the format is completed. After that, if this method doesn't work, then what you have to do, you just simply come over into your start icon and then simply search for command prompt. If you get the command prompt, you can simply click on run as administrator. If you click on that, then you rightly open your command prompt. And here I'm going to give some command that can help you to format your USB drive. So first we're going to type here DiskPart. If I just type here DiskPart and click enter, you can see it's detect my computer. My computer name is MHS Kingdom. After that, we can simply type here list disk. If I just click on it, then I'm going to get two disks is connected in my computer. One is disk 0, one is disk 1. Disk 0 is my SSD card because it has a huge size, but my disk 1 is my USB drive. It has only 28 GB. How can I make sure that it's only 28 GB? I can simply go for this PC and here is my USB driver, and as you can see, it's showing 28 GB. Also, we can make it by click on it, and then if you click on format, you can simply click on the capacity. You can simply get the capacity size over here. After making sure of it, you can simply type here select disk 1. Okay, so disk 1 is our USB port in my computer. So that's why I'm going to select it and simply click enter. And disk 1 is now selected disk. And now after that, we can simply type here clean for cleaning it, and the DiskPart succeeded in cleaning the disk. After clean it, and now here we will going to type create partition primary. Simply click enter and you can see DiskPart succeed in creating the specified partition. So now what you're going to do, we're going to type here format fs give a equal. So here we need to type the file or the USB port file system. For that, we can simply go for this PC. And here we can simply click on the right mouse button, click on the format, and from here we can simply see the default file system. You can see the default file system is FAT32. What we can do, we can simply type here FAT32 and type here quick and click enter. And now DiskPart successfully formatted the volume. And now we're going to give it a letter. So how we can do it? We can simply type here assign letter give equal like Z and then simply click enter. So the DiskPart successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. As you can see, right now our USB drive is set it into Z drive. So it's now completely formatted, and this is how we can simply solve your problem in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video.